Yeah, Nicky Milk, look what you got.
Say yay.
Don't cry, be happy.
You like it? Say I like it.
Look it. Turn it on too. Make noise.
Gumball.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's that? You put them inside of the thing?
Uh-huh.
And what does it do? Shakes or what?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that guy. Don't you
It's
like
supposed to make noise, play music, letters,
Kai
instruments.
Say, I like it.
I'm not instruments.
Oh, he wants to turn it around.
Uh-huh.
Now we just gotta take it out of the box later.
Yeah. Kyle will have to figure that out. No, that toy we can't get out of the box either. Look at your other one. Are you videoing it?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Kai, take your hands and rip it.
Open
it, Kai,
He's just
open
looking
it.
at us with the camera.
Well, at least next year we know he'll be able to do it. Yeah. What is this?
Oh, your mommy brought you that. Oh, look at.
VTech.
Yay! Say yay!
Uh-oh, you gonna like that, Nicky Nick.
Don't make noise.
Say yay!
That's a what? That's a bouncer.
You know,
Or
comprende, no sabe. Say yay! Oh, I know, he's a turtle.
It's a bouncing, what is it again I got? Oh, a turtle, bouncing turtle. He gonna like that though, cause he can sit on it and bounce on it. We just gotta set it up.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Yay! Clap your hands! Yay!
Yeah, Nicky just say thank you.
Clap your hands!
Kai. Oh, that was a cute pic. Say thank you. Kai.
Thank you!
Of all the times he don't want to say thank you now.
Say thank
Oh, that's from
you.
Miss Laverne.
Thank you!
So Miss Laverne got you.
Thank
Woohoo! Nicky Nick. What is that?
Oh, what's that guy?
I don't even know what it is. It's Miss Laverne.
Yay!
Let's see what you got.
Open it, Kai, open it. Come on, your hands work. Open it.
So that's what I got, Uncle.
Open it.
Let's see, that's an outfit, gotta be.
Yay! Clap your hands, Kai. Yay! Jeans, all right.
All
Yay!
right.
Woo, 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 woo.
Pantalones?
Let me see.
Woo.
That's a nice little top.
Yay!
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Kai, say thank
Say
you.
thank you.
Look up, look. Buddha.
Say thank you to the camera.